Hey foodies, this is the quickest sticky toffee pudding you could ever make. First of all, you get your ingredients, your flour, your egg, your brown sugar. Now you cream the brown sugar and the butter together. Once it's creamed, you can add a teaspoon of cinnamon, add your eggs, then add your flour and mix it all together. And while this is mixing, you have already boiled some 300 grams of dates and added a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda to the dates once it starts boiling. You then blend it. And now you can add the mixture together, mix it all up so that it's nice, even, and smooth. You then get your baking tray ready with your parchment paper. You add your mixture tray in the oven, 155 degrees for 30 to 35. And this is how you serve.